Why everything changes after you hit $1 million invested is not because 1 million is a magical number or because life suddenly becomes perfect, but because at that
People
point
don't
the
realize
rules
this.
of money
We are living
quietly
in the
change,
fastest wealth
and
transfer in
almost
modern
nobody
history.
explains
For
this
some
shift
people,
properly.
AI is
So
becoming a
most
weapon
people
for
spend
freedom,
their
growth, and
entire
opportunity.
lives
For
chasing
others, it's
income
becoming a slow
without
collapse of
realizing that the
skills,
real
income, and
game begins
relevance.
only
This
after
video will show
capital
you where the
reaches
real
a
money is
critical mass. Because before 1 million, you are pushing the wheel yourself, and after 1 million, the wheel starts turning you forward. And this difference is not emotional, it is mathematical, psychological, and strategic. And to understand it, you first have to understand why the journey to the first million feels slow, painful, and frustrating. Because below that level, every dollar still depends heavily on your time, your effort, your discipline, and your daily decisions, meaning your progress feels fragile, mistakes feel expensive, and setbacks feel personal. But when your invested capital reaches $1 million, something subtle happens. Your money begins producing results at a scale that no longer feels theoretical. Because a conservative 7% return on $1 million is $70,000 a year without you lifting a finger. And suddenly, growth is no longer something you chase, it is something that shows up on its own. And this is the first major change. Compounding becomes visible, not just on spreadsheets, but in real life. Because before 1 million, compounding feels like a promise. After 1 million, it feels like gravity, always pulling your wealth upward even when you are not actively pushing it. And this changes how you think about time, because time stops being an enemy and becomes an ally, meaning market downturns stop feeling like disasters and start feeling like temporary discounts, because your base is now strong enough to absorb volatility. And this leads to the second major change. Risk starts working in your favor instead of against you. Because when you're starting out, a single bad decision can erase months or years of progress. But at 1 million invested, diversification actually works the way it is supposed to. One asset can underperform while others compensate, which means you no longer need to be perfect to move forward. And this reduces fear dramatically, because fear mostly comes from fragility, not from ignorance. And once your financial structure becomes resilient, your emotional relationship with money changes. You stop checking balances every day, you stop reacting to headlines, and you stop feeling like every choice must be optimized to the extreme, because the margin for error expands. And this leads to the third major change. Decision-making slows down in a good way, because urgency disappears. You no longer feel pressure to jump on every opportunity or chase every trend. And when urgency disappears, clarity increases, meaning you start choosing investments based on long-term alignment rather than short-term excitement. And this is where many people make the mistake of thinking 1 million is the finish line, when in reality it is the starting line for a different game entirely, a game focused on preservation, optimization, and sustainability rather than survival. And this shift in focus creates the fourth major change, identity. Because before 1 million, you see yourself as someone trying to get ahead. But after 1 million, you start seeing yourself as a steward of capital, someone whose job is not to gamble, but to protect and grow what already exists. And this identity shift changes behavior automatically. Spending becomes intentional, lifestyle inflation slows down, and status loses its appeal. Because once your money starts working without your presence, you realize that peace is more valuable than appearance. And this realization is powerful because it leads to the fifth major change, freedom of attention, meaning your mind is no longer consumed by financial stress. And when stress fades, creativity emerges, allowing you to think in years instead of weeks, in systems instead of tactics, and in outcomes instead of tasks. And this is why people who reach 1 million invested often say they feel lighter, not richer, because the weight of uncertainty begins to lift. And at this stage, you start noticing another important shift. Your relationship with income changes because income is no longer the primary engine of growth. It becomes a supplement rather than a necessity, which means you can say no to bad opportunities, bad clients, and bad environments without fear. And this selective ability improves your life quality dramatically because saying no is one of the most underrated forms of wealth. And with that ability comes the sixth major change, leverage, because capital creates options, and options create leverage, whether that leverage is time, location, or choice. And once you experience this leverage, you understand why wealthy individuals often appear calm during economic uncertainty, because their strategy is no longer reactive, it is structural, built on assets rather than effort. And this brings us to another important change, the way mistakes feel. Because after 1 million, mistakes stop being catastrophic and start becoming educational. You can afford to be wrong occasionally without derailing your future. And this tolerance for error encourages smarter experimentation, which paradoxically leads to better outcomes over time. And as this process continues, you begin to notice something else. Your goals evolve, because early goals are usually numeric: earn this much, save this much, invest this much. But later goals become qualitative: protect capital, reduce stress, increase optionality, design a life that does not require constant optimization. And this is why many people who reach 1 million invested do not dramatically upgrade their lifestyle, because the real upgrade happens internally, in peace of mind and time ownership. And this internal upgrade leads to another key change. Patience becomes your competitive advantage, because when you're no longer desperate for returns, you can afford to wait. And in investing, patience is often the highest paying skill, allowing you to benefit from long-term trends while others burn out chasing short-term wins. And this patience also improves relationships, health, and decision quality, because financial pressure quietly distorts every area of life when it exists, and its removal creates space for better thinking. And now we arrive at one of the most misunderstood aspects of the $1 million milestone. It does not make you immune to problems, but it changes the type of problems you face. Because instead of worrying about bills, you start worrying about allocation, tax efficiency, and risk management, which are higher quality problems with better solutions. And this shift in problem quality is a hidden benefit that few people talk about, because it marks a transition from survival problems to optimization problems. And optimization problems are solvable with strategy rather than sacrifice. And this leads to a calmer, more deliberate approach to life, where progress feels steady instead of chaotic. And this calmness compounds just like money does, influencing every area of your behavior, from how you plan your days to how you respond to setbacks. And by this stage, you begin to understand the final and perhaps most important change. Money becomes a tool rather than a goal, because once you experience what capital can do for your time, your stress level, and your choices, you stop chasing more for the sake of more, and you start aligning money with purpose, whether that purpose is freedom, family, creativity, or contribution. And this alignment is what separates people who quietly build lasting wealth from those who constantly feel unsatisfied despite high numbers. And it's important to understand that none of this means 1 million invested guarantees happiness or fulfillment, but it does remove many invisible barriers that prevent clarity, and clarity is often the foundation of a well-designed life. And this is why everything changes after you hit $1 million invested, not because life becomes easy, but because it becomes intentional, predictable, and resilient, allowing you to shift from chasing money to directing it, from reacting to planning, and from surviving to building. And once you cross that threshold, the game does not end, it finally begins.